The furthest flying super-midsize jet on Earth, the Embraer Praetor 600E. 4,018 nautical miles, the only jet in its class that flies London to New York, against the headwinds, non-stop. Inside, an industry first, a 42-inch 4K smart window. Join the meeting, or turn the cabin into a movie theater. Full fly-by-wire smoothness, the lowest cabin altitude in the class, and a cabin for up to 12, with a full galley, 2 club sections, and a real divan. And that completes the family. From your first Phenom to the flagship Praetor, pick your rung. The super mid-size, perfected, different by design.